What is up, guys? Happy Thursday. Welcome to the Fullerton Nutrition Daily News. I'm going to bring you guys exactly what I did for the workout for the day and a good topic on something about fitness, weight loss, nutrition related to helping you guys get the best results as possible. Get that fat off the body as simple as possible because it really is easy. You just need a game plan and stick to that game plan. So if you guys are brand new here, welcome on your favorite podcast network, Fullerton Nutrition or Fullerton Nutrition on YouTube. Always join a live Q&A Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Arizona time with whatever questions you guys got about fitness, weight loss, nutrition, working out. Like I said, my whole goal is to make this weight loss thing as simple as possible. So with today, just got done doing back. Gonna slam a shake real quick. Slept in too much, so didn't get time to make a shake real quick. Making vanilla right now, so it's the meal replacement protein shake. Like I said, I like to drink it before I go to the gym because when you have all those fats and proteins in that body as you're working out, you have a lot better workout. So I'm going to slam this real quick, and then I'll let you guys know exactly what I did for back day. I usually do back on Thursdays. All right, meal done in like 20 seconds. Vanilla cream is absolutely phenomenal. Sweet, creamy. Not gritty, not clumpy, or anything like that. So what I did for back today, so same thing, supersetting everything. So supersetting, all that means is you're not taking a break in between the exercises. So did wide grip lat pull downs and then superset into seated upright rows. So superset, did 5 sets of 3. Remember, we're going super heavy right now for the next couple months. So 5 sets of 3, super heavy. And then once you get done with the 5 sets of 3, I go into a drop set. So I go heavy, basically the same exact weight for the 5. And then I'll drop about 20 to 40 pounds to go 10 reps and then go straight into 15 reps. I do that superset. And I do the drop set on that entire one exercise. Once I basically go 5, 10, 15, I will move on to the next exercise. So did the seated rows, same thing, 5, 10, 15, then I was done with that. Then I went and did a drop set on reverse flies. So it's back day, so doing those reverse flies, going 5, 10, 15. Really try and pick a heavy weight for that set of 5. And then did straight arm pull downs with the rope, so close grip. That was the exercises for the day. That was the workout for the day. Remember, I always do back on Thursdays. So let's talk about for the day why it's so important to hit your calories. Calories are the most important thing when it comes to no matter what your goals are. When it comes to weight loss, weight gain, it doesn't matter what your goals are. You have a calorie goal you need to hit. And you don't want to be depleted way too much on your calories. I get it. The word calorie deficit, it's all anybody ever talks about. But there's no context behind calorie deficit. You hear the word calorie deficit, guess what? 1,000 calories is a deficit for anybody. Why is it that people aren't getting the results that they want when they are hitting those calories? 1,000 calories. And all of a sudden they use a calorie calculator that's on the website, fullertonnutrition.com. And they start to hit those calories and they have to go up about 500 to sometimes maybe even 1,000 calories. And they start losing weight. The scale starts moving. It's because you're feeding your body that nutrients that it needs. You're taking in enough fats. You're taking in enough proteins. Fair warning, fat doesn't make you fat, kids. Just know that. It's because they're taking in enough nutrients. So that's what happens. You have a calorie goal to hit. And if you don't know how many calories to take in, use that calorie calculator on the website. Because how you calculate your calories, it goes off your height, your weight, your age, and your activity level. So when you use the calorie calculator, how many sets should you do a week if you're working each body part 2 times a week, chest, buys. So I do the exact same workout when I am doing 2-a-days. I'll do the exact same workout on that day. Exactly what I did in the morning, I'll do that at night. But that's what it comes down to, is how to figure out those calories. And yes, I know, Carb Manager, MyFitnessPal, there's tons of calculators out there. They're all going to give you different calories. I love the formula that is on my site. That's why I talk about it so much, because people are getting great results using that calculator, hitting their calorie goals every single day. Yes, I use MyFitnessPal to track the calories, but I don't like it to give me my calorie goal. So if you guys are not tracking calories, do it for 1 week, and if you hit your calories every day with whole foods, meat and veggies, I promise you, you are going to get the best results that you've ever gotten an entire week. True Meal is amazing. So glad you made it with the True Meal. I'm glad True Meal finally made it too. Did you get chocolate or vanilla? True Meal really is like phenomenal. Did you make it with water? Did you make it with coffee? Because with coffee, it is game changing. So I've been So I've been intermittent fasting and I've lost a ton of weight, but I've been in a plateau. Help. So if you were intermittent fasting, were you hitting your calorie goal or were you just starving yourself? Because starving yourself does work and then you will plateau, obviously. Vanilla with water. Nice, nice, nice. I literally just slammed one after doing back day today. So that is the segment for the day. Hit your calories. Rule number 1, hit that calorie goal. Remember, everything is on the website, fullertonnutrition.com, where all the free workout programs are. If you guys are just now tuning in, if this is your first time listening, listen to it on your favorite podcast network. Just look up Fullerton Nutrition or on YouTube, Fullerton Nutrition, to get that Fullerton Nutrition Daily news. On that note, I'm out of here. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing night. Remember that why. Don't forget to smash that share button.